Hi, lovely people. So today is another beautiful day, and here's my client here. Okay, so she was coming in for a frontal installation, and this is her complaining that she had booked me for so long and I didn't reply to her message. But anyways, here we are. I used a got to be spray on her net. She wanted the net look, the scalp look, because we wanted to protect the hairlines there at her forehead. So yeah, I went with the got to be spray, and I have to go in with the blow dryer so we can actually melt that lace down. Unfortunately, I don't know why I placed my face shield, so that's why we didn't use it there. Now I'm going in with a very darker foundation because she has worn her frontal before and they use a dark shade inside, so I'm trying as much as possible to blend that with her skin. And so here are the products I used. I was using the powder, it wasn't giving, so I have to go in for that foundation. Yes, so now I am using the got to be, no, sorry, this is the Ghost Bond. Actually, I used the L-bend, but unfortunately the L-bend got finished and I have to use the got to be. I don't think it was bad though. Yeah, so here I decided to use this African fan to protect her face from the heat coming from the dryer, because I'm actually using this to make the glue transparent. So yeah, we went in to pull the whole hair on it, and as you can see, it's very tacky and stacky. Yeah, and at this point she has started smiling. So I had to change her position so that I can style the wig exactly how she wanted it, because she came with a picture and it was a middle pattern, Bible pattern. It was a simple one. So here I had finished parting, and look at the lace. Can you see the lace? Yeah, it's melted. Okay, it's melted. Boom. It's giving scowl. You guys, look at it. So I didn't edit this video because I don't even have space on my phone, so I just wanted to quickly upload it here so I can delete it in my gallery. So here is it. I was trying to do her baby curls for her, and my videographer was giving me vibes. Okay, the way the lace was melted, like, it was just awesome because I had not even gotten anywhere. But look at this, look at it. You can't see the lace. So yeah, bring your work to those who know it. Okay, so at this point I went in with a concealer in the middle. I think it's a bit high, so I actually toned it down for her the next day early in the morning, because she booked me the next day for makeup as well. Yeah, but this is how it's looking. We have not melted this leaf for long, it was just a band on it, but look at this. It's giving skin, guys. It's giving skin. Okay, so, wow, look at this. At this point she was feeling, she was no longer sad that I was not replying to her messages and stuff. And I don't do that intentionally, guys. When you message me, just keep calm because I reply to everyone. So this was the next day, and look, boom, this was the makeup. I wasn't done with the makeup, but I have to bring in the video here so you guys can see how the whole look turned out. I'll also be uploading the makeup video here from scratch. Okay, so if you're not following me, do well to follow me. I'm posting this on YouTube, so do well to subscribe to my channel as well if you have watched at this point. This hair smiling. Thank you all for watching. Love you.